Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, mass of disk is given as m is equal to 64.4 IB. Force is given as 3 IB and t is given as 2 seconds. S is given as 3 feet is equal to disk moved. Now solving summation of fx is equal to max. So I can write the equation like this: p is equal to me. So I just put all the data here which are given in the question. So the value of A is coming as 1.5 feet per second square. Now I will use this formula. So I will put all the values here. So V is coming as 3 feet per second. Now taking moment about point Z. So just look at it carefully. I can write the equation like this, and on further going it can be written like this. So I will just put all the data here, and on solving this we get this equation, and this is our final equation. On solving this equation we will get the value of alpha. So alpha is coming as 3.6 radian per second square. Now angular velocity is equal to omega, and this is the formula. So I just put both the values here. So this is our final answer.